Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Hollowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial in Excel 2013. In this tutorial we're going to sort of follow up on some of the other work we've done, but in this tutorial I want to show you a couple what I think are sort of interesting little things you can do with Excel. Now first and foremost, it's very important that you realize that you can do a lot of things with Excel. Excel is like a blank sheet of paper, but we've got cells to keep our information organized. So if you think of Excel as nothing more than a blank sheet of paper and realize that it's just an easier way to keep information not necessarily organized, that's one way you can look at it, but just in sort of an order, well, I think that's a good way to look at Excel. Now, in my previous tutorial, I showed you how to duplicate my name numerous times, but now I'm going to show you how to delete my name so we can go on to our next point. I'm going to click in this cell that says Tony Hollowitz. I'm going to drag over to the right and down, and then on my keyboard I'm just going to hit the delete key and everything's gone. So let me show you what I think are a few sort of interesting tricks in Microsoft Excel. First, I'm going to talk to you about, imagine if you had to create a numbered list of something and you had to number things 1 through say 1,000. Well, I could hit 1, I could hit 2, I could hit 3, and I could just keep going, and 4 and 5 and so on. But that could take me a long time to get down to 1,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this stuff out just to sort of start fresh. I'm going to click in another cell, and I'm going to type in the number 1. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to type in the number 2, and I'm going to hit enter. What we've done in essence is we've started a pattern. 1, 2, and the next logical number is 3. So let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to click on this cell and drag down, and I want you to observe that down in the bottom right hand corner we have this little square right here. And when I put my pointer on it, I get a skinny black plus sign, and I'm going to click and hold, and I'm going to drag down. And we're just creating a numbered list. If I kept going and dragged it way down off the bottom of the screen, you're going to see this list is going to fly by, and it's an easy way to create a numbered list. Okay. To get back to cell A1, which is sort of the top of the spreadsheet, the top left-hand corner, I'm going to hold the control key down and hit home just as a shortcut to get back there. Next, let me go in this cell and let me type in a number, 3, and then 6, and now the next logical number in this pattern is 9. So we're counting by threes. I'm going to click on 3. I'm going to drag down so I've selected 6. I'm going to grab the bottom right hand corner, drag down, and you'll see we're creating a numbered list counting by threes. So Excel is smart enough to anticipate the pattern in which you've developed, and it allows you to extend that pattern by grabbing the bottom right hand corner. Let me show you a couple other things that I find interesting. I'm going to type in MONTUE for Tuesday. Okay, we've started a pattern. I'm going to click on Monday, drag down. I've selected both of them. I'm now going to grab the bottom right hand corner and drag down like this. And I've created a list of my days of the week, and then it starts to repeat for the following Monday. Okay, let me do this. Let me type out Monday. I'm going to do the entire day. I'm going to come down here and do Tuesday. Now Excel is smart enough to recognize the pattern I'm trying to work on. I'm going to grab this, but now we're going to do it in the full days. So it takes the whole name and not just a partial name. Let's do another one. Let's do JANFEB. And now I'm going to click away, grab the first 2, drag down, and I've created the months. So these are some things you can do that, in my opinion, really start to make Excel interesting, and you start seeing how it has some tools built in that can make entering data a little bit easier. So if you know some of these little things, working with Excel is just that much easier. Ladies and gentlemen, these are just some little tips for entering information in Excel. My name is Tony Hollowitz. Thank you very much. Let's move on to our next video. Have a great day.